Welcome to this really simple star tutorial here on the 1 Minute Barber channel. This is the first and easiest part of the whole process, and if you get this right, you're going to create a really nice star really easily. All you need to do is, using your little trimmer, create an upwards point. So that's just 2 lines pointing upwards. And then about 1/3 of the way down the point, just cut a line straight across. So it should look something like this. Upwards point and then a line across. Once you've done that, connect your bottom points to the furthest away point on the horizontal line. So that'll complete our star shape. And the next thing we need to do is cut it all out. So using the corner of your trimmer, just cut out all the hair from the middle of the star, so it's down to bald. Watch that you don't cut any hair outside your lines. Try and clean it up as best you can. Now, it doesn't look like much yet, but what we're going to do now is we're going to start cutting a parallel line all the way around. So this is the outside star. We've done the inside star, there's going to be an outside star around it. And what we're doing is try and keep the same distance with your line the whole way around. So each time you cut a line, try and be the same distance away from your inside star. You're just using your inside star as a guide, so it's like a little template that you can cut around. Sometimes what you need to do, if the hair is growing down the way on the scalp, you need to scrub a little bit with the clipper just to pick the hair up into the blade and try and get it cut a little bit shorter. While you watch me do this, I just want to say it took me a very long time to figure out how to cut a star, and then the next thing I'm going to show you is how to make it pop, because you can cut a star but you really want it to pop. I tried to imagine a straight through line from one of the previous parts of the star that I cut. That helps me get the angle right. So to make this pop, I'm going to go down to the half position on my big clipper and I'm going to start cutting away all the hair around the star. Now my model for this, he normally has a bald high fade, but I just talked him into letting me make this star for a video for you guys to see so I could show you a simple process for cutting stars. Normally when you're doing things like this, you're cutting on like little kids. They love to have things like stars and shapes in their hair. Any kind of artistic work. Now the principles that I'm using here, using different lengths to make it pop, different shades, cutting out shapes, it's similar kind of principles you would pretty much use on many shapes that you might cut. So, you know, I'm applying it to a star, but you can apply it to pretty much anything. Here is our simple star. It's one star inside another, and it pops by cutting all the hair around it. I hope you found that tutorial useful and you're going to have fun cutting shapes and stars in your haircuts. My name's Michael Home, I've been the 1 Minute Barber, and I'll see you in my next video.